Hello, welcome to my channel. I will today show you how to install Kibana on an Ubuntu 18.04 virtual machine. I have my VM actually on Virtualbox, and I have SSH into my VM using my username and my IP address. So I'm using Visual Studio Code, but you can use um, any client to SSH into the VM. So I have listed some commands. These are already executed as part of previous videos because I had installed Elasticsearch as well as Logstash, and it uses the same keys. So before proceeding to Kibana installation, I will just do sudo update get update. So just let it update all the packages, dependencies, and once it's done, I will install Kibana. So super, it's done. Now I will install Kibana and then start with the further process. Alright, so let's start Kibana installation. Okay, so now it has installed. Now before starting Kibana, I would like to do some configuration to Kibana YAML file. So to do that, I can do sudo nano etc kibana and then kibana.yaml file. Here, as I have mentioned here, we need to do certain changes. So first, this port should be this one. I can change the server host to the current one. So 192.168.1.61. And then I have to also check the Elasticsearch host. Did I miss it? Yeah, so here it is. 192.168.1.61, and then just uncomment that, and I will save it. The next step is to start the service using this command. This should start the service. Okay, it started. We can verify if it's running fine. Okay, it looks good. Now we can verify this in the browser. Browser using this URL on 5 while. So now I see the message Kibana is not ready yet, so probably it's still coming up. And yeah, now it looks good. So we should be seeing Kibana probably. Yes. Usually Kibana takes a while to start. And as you can see, I'm running my Kibana on local Ubuntu VM. So yeah, these are the running logs. Great, so I have my Kibana. So we can say explore my own, and then we can explore it and do whatever we want. Just to start, maybe we'll see if there are any indexes created. I'll just see. So as you can see, Logstash indexes are automatically created because I had created Logstash and I had routed logs from all Logstash to Elasticsearch, and this is what is available here. All right, so everything looks good, works as charm. So thank you for watching and do subscribe if you like it.